Brandy,
Yes.
tell them what's going on.
We're having a coffee off. Another coffee off.
Coffee off, second edition.
Yes, second edition.
Hour 1.
Hour 1. We're starting at 8:29 p.m.
8:30. 8:30.
Okay, whatever. Well, it's 8:29.
Well, whatever. 8:30.
Okay. What are the
Hour
rules,
1.
Destiny? I don't know the rules.
Rules. Whoever
What are-
goes to sleep first.
Yes.
Wait. Oh, we never. Okay. Yes. Rules. Whoever goes to sleep first. Wait.
Yes.
Whoever goes to sleep first. You can hold it. Whoever goes to sleep first has to get a tattoo of the other person's choosing. No.
This big.
Not
This big.
Yeah, okay, an inch big tattoo. An inch big tattoo. Brandy has to draw one. I have to draw one. And actually, I'm gonna have you guys help out. You're gonna draw a small thing like this big, and you're gonna draw a small thing like this big. And then whoever loses has to pick a number 1 through 4. All of them are gonna be facing down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever one you pick. 3. Say you pick 3. Then you have to get that tattoo if you lose.
Okay.
Did I make that understandable? Because I was just kind of rambling. I am very energetic right now.
I think we'll get it. I might have to watch it back. I'm not sure.
I mean, I know what I'm talking about. I'm worried about if you guys know what
No,
I'm.
I got you. I already know. This was last time.
Yeah. Okay. Well, then that's all that counts.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
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 Bye.